Hey TikTok creators! In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of editing captions on TikTok. Whether you have a typo or want to improve your captions, I can help. Let's dive in. Step 1. Save your video. Launch the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select the video whose caption you want to edit. Click the three dots, Options menu. To the right of your video, select Save Video from the menu. This will download the video to your device, including all effects and editing. Step 2. Delete the original video. Go back to your profile and find the video you just saved. Delete the original video with incorrect captions. Step 3. Re-upload with new caption. Open your gallery or photo gallery. Repost saved videos. Add a new caption. Make sure to double check this time. Hit post. And share your updated video. Hope this information will be useful to you. Thanks for watching the video.